UK roads are destroying these 5 car parts faster than ever in 2026. Between the potholes, endless rain and harsh winters, your car's taking a proper beating. Number 5. Control arms. Every pothole sends shockwaves through your suspension, and those control arm bushings are the first to give way. Number 4. Brake pads. All that stop-start traffic and wet weather braking means you're burning through pads faster than your wallet can handle. Number 3. Air filters. Britain's increasingly polluted air is clogging filters quicker than ever before. Number 2. Batteries. These brutal cold snaps are killing car batteries left and right. And number 1. Sensors. Modern cars are packed with them, and UK weather is their worst enemy. But here's the thing. You don't need to pay dealership prices for quality parts. D2P Auto Parts delivers OEM quality components at a fraction of the cost with next-day delivery across the UK. Replace smart, drive safe.